Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make my Amla oil. Let's get started. Here's what I used: Amla powder, coconut oil, empty canning jar, measuring utensils, and a funnel. I like to purchase my Amla powder from my local Indian grocery store. Usually I buy the Hesh brand. And I like to cold infuse this powder in oil so I don't lose any of the nutrients. Wow, I totally forgot to use the funnel. Let's keep going since I'm a master pourer. I'm making this oil as a gift, so I used my food scale to measure the proper amount of oil to fill the containers I have. I let this oil sit for 3 days in the dark. I would have let it sit for 3 weeks, but time. Here are my containers and here are my straining materials. I like to reinforce my cheesecloth with a strainer. Yes, I said that right. Excuse me while I throw this bad boy in the fridge. The sediment left at the bottom of this jar can be applied directly to the scalp as a paste that you can rinse out. Excuse me as I go retrieve my oil from the fridge. The oil on the right is the result of my 76-degree room, and the oil on the left has been cooled down so it's easier to grab and apply to the scalp. Thanks for watching. Be sure to share this video with a friend if you found it helpful. Until then, I'll see you next time.